The largest value achieved by 3 cos square x plus 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 11 by 5, 13 by 3, 12 by 5, 14 by 9 or 12 by 7. The largest value achieved by 3 cos square x plus 2 sin x plus 1. Now the given trigonometric function is having cos square x and sin x. So we'll try to convert cos square x into sin square x by using the identity cos square x is 1 minus sin square x, so that the function will be only in terms of sin x. After that, the idea is to get it into a standard identity a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square and take it forward from there. Now I can write it as 3 into 1 minus sin square x plus 2 sin x plus 1. Open the bracket, we'll have 3 minus 3 sin square x plus 2 sin x plus 1, which is equals to 4 minus 3 sin square x plus 2 sin x. Now we'll take minus out, we'll have 4 minus of 3 sin square x minus 2 sin x. Now we have a uncompleted square here inside the bracket, so we have a square minus 2ab terms. We need to identify our b square term so that we have in brackets a perfect square. So let's try to identify the value of b. For that we write down a square is 3 sin square x, that will give us a is root 3 sin x. 2ab is 2 sin x, that will give us ab equals to sin x. But we know a is root 3 sin x. Comparing, we will get b equals to 1 by root 3. Now once we know b equals to 1 by root 3, we can add b square and we can subtract b square so that we can complete the squares. So we'll go ahead and write down whatever we need to find out. That function now is given by 4 minus of let's add b square term and subtract b square term. So we will have 4 minus of 3 sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 1 by 3. Then we have to add 1 by 3 because we have minus in front, so that is negative 1 by 3. We have to add plus 1 by 3 so that we can balance out. So what we have in brackets now is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as a minus b whole square. So the trigonometric function, whatever is given 3 cos square x plus 2 sin x plus 1, now becomes 13 by 3 divided minus a minus b whole square, that is root 3 sin x minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Now we know that a square value can take minimum 0, maximum any value, but the minimum is always 0 because it can never be negative. Root 3 sin x minus 1 by root 3 will have square, will have values which are greater than or equals to 0. Now to achieve maximum value for this function, root 3 sin x minus 1 by root 3 whole square should be equals to 0. When that becomes equals to 0, we are subtracting minimum value. When we are taking out negative value minimum, that means we will attain maximum value. So our answer will be the largest value achieved by the function will be 13 by 3. Let's have a recap of this. We have been given 3 cos square x plus 2 sin x plus 1 and been asked to find out the largest value achieved by it. What we did is 2 steps. First we converted that function in terms of sine. Then we have seen can we complete the squares and get it into a format of some value of a minus of something in bracket whole square, and the function whichever is there in the bracket whole square can take only the values greater than or equals to 0. So if you have a number minus a value, if you want to achieve the maximum value, the value should be minimum. That means whatever we have in bracket root 3 sin x minus 1 by root 3 should be equal to 0. In that scenario, we will have the maximum value is 13 by 3.